Hello, and welcome to the React ChatBotify tutorial series. In this comprehensive tutorial series, we'll explore various ways to create powerful and interactive chatbots, including FAQ chatbots, form-collecting chatbots, and advanced LLM-integrated chatbots using providers like OpenAI, Gemini, and even in-browser models. Now, in this very first tutorial, we'll start with something simple, a Hello World chatbot. Our goal today is straightforward. We'll get a chatbot up and running that greets users with a Hello World message. So let's get started. I've already created a fresh React project. Here you can see the default app file that's generated when you initiate a new React project. To integrate React ChatBotify, we just need to follow 3 simple steps outlined in the documentation. The first step is to install the library. We'll install React ChatBotify by running the provided install command. Once the installation is complete, we'll move on to the next step, which is to import and initialize the chatbot. So, within the app file, I'm just going to quickly rely on autocomplete to include the chatbot. Then we'll save the file. Now, let's run our project and see the results on localhost port 5173. You can immediately notice the chatbot interface at the bottom right corner of the screen. If we open it, we'll be greeted with the default welcome message. This is because we haven't yet defined any custom conversation flows. And if we were to click on Quick Start, it takes us back to the original documentation that we previously viewed. To customize our chatbot and display Hello World, we'll have to define a simple flow object. We'll specify this greeting within the chatbot's start block via the message attribute. There are other attributes available, but we'll keep things simple and leave them empty for now. If you're keen to explore the flow concept, you may refer to the video and documentation links provided below in the video description. Now, after updating our flow, let's run the chatbot again. Great! It now greets us with Hello World, successfully replacing the default message. In the upcoming tutorials, we'll delve deeper into the additional customization features React ChatBotify offers, such as presenting options to users, implementing checkboxes, and more sophisticated interactions. I hope you found this introductory tutorial clear, simple, and beginner-friendly. If you're eager to expand your knowledge and build more advanced chatbots, be sure to check out our other contents. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.